Hello and welcome back once again to Planned on Planning. I thank you ever so much for joining us. As you can see, we're here in my gratitude planner and we have a blank canvas and a wonderful week to get started and give gratitude. So let's just go ahead and get started. No more talking, no more yapping. Ooh, secret wash it. Alright, so as you can see, we have a blank canvas to start with. But it doesn't mean it's going to stay blank for long. What do we have? We have washi. And I have this super gorgeous washi. And as you can see, they kind of match with each other with the pattern and design. Sometimes I like to, coordinate when I do things. And definitely when it comes to my washi. Now, I may go wild and crazy with the stickers, but I always make sure my washi looks good. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and get this off. Now, this washi isn't super large, so what we can do is actually double up. But what I forgot, and I can't believe you guys did not remind me, is to get rid of this week of. But, you're slipping on the job. Let's just be honest. You're falling down on the job. Now, because I am doubling up on the washi, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this line as well. Here we go. And knock that out on this side. Oh, forgot the corner. All right. And I just press it down just to make sure it's all the way down and nothing's going to flip up on me at the last minute. So, let's get to it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in my upper corner and then just try to match it as much as possible. But I'm not going to get too firm on this corner just in case we have any bubbles that arise. They can easily be let out. So I'm going to get my gift card and just hit it with a little tail. There we go. And then it's on to the next one. And for the next one, because it is just slightly larger than the area that's there, I'm gonna go right above the Monday and then overlap it on our washi. So once again, I'm not making it too tight. So this way when I go across, I don't have to worry about bubbles or any little ripples or anything like that. And then bam, I tell. How you like me now? Alright. Before I get too overzealous, let me go ahead to the next side. I'm just starting at the corner, not holding it too tight, going straight across. And tearing, and then hitting it one more again. And I'm actually just gonna go a little bit over. I actually could have went the other way and started at the Friday, but I'm wild. I'm a rebel without a cause. So I like to walk on the wild side, get a little edgy every now and then. Alright, so there we have it. We have a wonderful banner to start with. And then we're using this to frame out our days. So I'm just going to put them right above the actual day. Go straight across. And rip. Using the actual day, go straight across. And I'm pressing it down just to make sure that it sticks. And as you can see, the colors are really coming together. I love it. They really work with each other. Ha 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 ha. And for the bottom, I'm going to go all the way across, but I am putting it in the middle. And then for the next side, haha. Now for my stickers, I thought I'd go back to, an old favorite and use my 365 Faith Planner stickers. I haven't used them in a while. So I was like, hey, why not? We like these stickers. They've done us well in the past. Let's use them again. So bam, I went and got the stickers, and they are definitely coming into play. Ha ha, ha ha. Love it. All right, there we go. So this is what we have to work with. This is what we're starting out with. I'm totally in love with it. It looks wonderful, looks beautiful. Like I said, I have my 365 stickers, Faith stickers, that I'm super excited to use. Not sure why I stopped using them, to be honest, but it's like, hello. Hello. And I don't know why I love using these. Don't forget, reminder, I got the top priority and the note to self. Top priority, and then I have my note to self, the noted. I was gonna say, like, why did we stop using these? And the important, muy importante. Get my little Espanol on. Bam. And then because it's a Sunday, we're gonna hit that with a top priority. Haha. And I like it because it's like nice ways, because I told you this is my gratitude planner. So what I do, I write like crazy in the actual days of things that I'm thankful for, and just also like it's me basically talking to God and like, okay, this is what I'm thankful for. This is what I need a little help with, things like that and of that nature. So I think it's really cool and really cute to start out this way each day of the week with the noted, important, top priorities. Don't forget. So I like it personally. And then, I like to have my little prayer list, which maybe I should think about doing that another way. Interesting. So I put my little prayer list up at the top of some people and some things I want to pray for. And when I'm talking about things, I'm not talking about more money. I'm talking about love, peace, joy, things like that. And some people that I want to pray for. I like this. This one says, but God first. Ooh. We have this wonderful little area that we love to put things in. But God first. Like, yeah. Doing all that talking, that's wonderful. But God first. And then I have this one that said, oh gosh, you can barely see it. It says, rejoice evermore. So I want to put that like right here. Just some nice little words of encouragement that I like to just put all throughout. Like this. This says choose kindness. So I'm going to put that down here. Sometimes when you're all stressed out and everything is just like, ugh, just give me a minute, please. A nice little reminder to choose kindness is wonderful. And I just added the sticker, too blessed to be stressed. Because to be honest, God knows, and I seriously mean God knows, that right now at my job, I am, they working it. But I will not, give in to that type of stress, that type of pressure, that type of frustration. So, as a reminder, I am too blessed to be stressed. So they can just go on, shoe on with all that foolishness they are trying to bring my way. And then I like this for my little note down here in my notes section. It says, give much, gather often, and greet many. So what do we have to add here? Some cute little flair. So it says, be present today. And then if I could find, I have my Bible pages. Oh gosh. And what I write in here is just a scripture that I kind of want to focus on for the week. And I'm not talking about Psalms 23. I'm talking about real scriptures. Like, my help cometh from the Lord, or you are my strength, you are my rock, things of that nature. Alright, so I'm just flipping through, just checking about anything else that I want to use. But I am definitely kind of set on what I have going on as is. Like, I like the simplicity of it. As you know, I like to keep my gratitude pages as simple as possible because I don't want too much clutter going on. Because number one, that's not really the focus of my gratitude planner. It's to give gratitude, to write down my thanks, to ask for a little bit more help in some areas, but also it's just my communication and me writing down things. So I do need the simplicity because I do need the space to write down, but also I don't need the distractions more than anything. It's simply because I don't want the distractions. So when I put things on here, it's definitely words of encouragement and to keep me focused as opposed to distract me. So I don't do a lot of the pretty pictures and little decorations and stickers that I do in my other planners. I keep it really, really simple here because I want to stay focused on what this planner is about. So there you have it. There's my little spiel for the week. Here is my gratitude planner, or my pages for my gratitude planner for this week. This is my wonderful weekly spread for the first week of April, and I'm so grateful that you guys were here to watch me get it all together, to laugh and joke with me, and to call me crazy and whatnot. And even more so, I cannot wait to do it with you again. Now, if by any chance you cannot wait until then, you can always reach out to me and we can chit chat and talk about anything that you want to talk about, whether it be planning related or not. You can leave a comment below this video, or you can send me an email. Like I said, I'm checking my email 6 million times a day, so I'm definitely going to hit you back. You can reach out to me on social media. If you follow me, I'm definitely going to follow you back, and we can start a convo and a friendship like that. And please do slide in my DMs and let me know, hey, it's me, I saw your video, I think you're funny, I think you're crazy, I think you're wild. Whatever the case may be, I cannot wait to talk to you. But until then, I thank you for being here now, and I look forward to seeing you again.